Honda and Verizon have teamed up to research new connected safety technology that has the potential to reduce collisions and save lives. Since 2017, Honda has been developing Safe Swarm technology to realize a collision-free society. Using vehicle-to-everything V2X communication, Honda's Safe Swarm could enable vehicles to communicate with other road users and share key information such as location and speed. Now, Honda is collaborating with Verizon to research the use of 5G technology for connected and autonomous vehicles. 5G wireless technology has the potential to ensure fast, reliable communication among vehicles, road infrastructure, pedestrians, and motorcycles. 5G technology allows auto OEMs to move the artificial intelligence from the vehicle to the mobile edge compute (MEC), reducing the need for AI on board each vehicle. Honda and Verizon recently demonstrated their joint safety research at M-City, a connected and autonomous test facility in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Superfast data transmission is essential for connected vehicle safety. Using Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband, mobile edge computing, and the V2X software platform, Honda and Verizon demonstrated 3 safety scenarios. A pedestrian is crossing the street at an intersection. An approaching driver cannot see the pedestrian due to a building obstructing the view. Smart cameras mounted in the intersection relay information to MEC using the 5G network. MEC detects the pedestrian and vehicle, determines the precise location of road users, and sends a warning message alerting the driver of the potential danger. A driver cannot see an approaching emergency vehicle and cannot hear its siren due to the high volume of in-vehicle audio. MEC receives a safety message from the emergency vehicle and sends a warning message to nearby vehicles. The driver receives a visual warning. A vehicle fails to stop at a red light. Using data from the smart cameras, MEC detects the vehicle and sends a red light runner warning message to other vehicles approaching the intersection. These safety scenarios demonstrate the potential of fast, reliable 5G to communicate urgent safety messages between vehicles and infrastructure, reducing the need for complex computing on board each connected vehicle. In the future, connected vehicle technology can help ensure that autonomous vehicles will be able to communicate seamlessly. Honda and Verizon hope their research collaboration will reduce collisions and save lives.